Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy of Eclectic Skin Prescriptions, and thank you so much for joining me. So this is just going to be a quick little impromptu video because we got some questions this week regarding a few of the different kits that we have available and issues with the website. I don't know what it is about the website. I mean, some people have nothing but problems logging onto the website. Other people, never a problem. You don't hear from them ever. It's just fine. But I don't know if it's where you're located. I don't know. But I think there may be a few things that could be going on. So let me walk you through these quick and easy tips that could help resolve these issues. So when you go to our home screen, the first thing that you're going to see is enter your password here. Now, this is a locked medical website, so only people with the password can enter. You have to enter our password to gain access to that site. The password that I always send you through the emails and communications, that's the password that you're going to use. Once you've done all of your shopping and you go to check out, this is where you're going to be prompted for your password. Okay, so to enter our password, to leave your password. Now, let's say you've forgotten your password, which it happens all the time. There is a link that you can hit that says basically reset your password. Your computer may recognize you've never gotten an email from this particular address before, and they could send it to your spam folder. So just be mindful of that. If you ever need to reset your password, don't just look in your inbox, kind of search around for it. It might be in your spam. It could be in social. There's so many different categories in the emails today. It's crazy. So it could be in another folder, because Corey swears that when you request a reset, it absolutely 100% sends you a link to do that. Another thing about the website is when you're going to check out, there's a place called Notes. This is great. This is your opportunity to be able to communicate with the person that's processing your order. Tell them anything. Hey, thank you for processing my order. May I please have brochures? Hey, I'd like to get these as my complimentary samples, or this, or package the back bar items in the 8-ounce jars instead of bottles. Whatever you'd like, or to remind us that you're a private label client, that's an absolute must, because you just never know, who's going to be printing the labels, if they can remember you're a private label or if not. So it's always helpful to put that in the notes section if you, in fact, have your own private labeling. That was about it for the website, and I hope that this resolves any issues that you might be having, but who knows? It could just be from where you're trying to log in. I don't know. It's just been a nightmare. I also got some questions regarding some of the different kits that we have available, and one of them is the men's defense kit. So somebody actually said it would be great if you guys could maybe have special packaging for men or label things a little differently for men, and I'm like, we do. We actually have all of those things. Maybe you didn't know. But we absolutely can do that. So this is our men's defense kit. These are all products that are in the retail line, just packaged a little differently and labeled a little differently for the guys. Now, this is 5 products. There's any products that you want to change for packaging for men, we absolutely could accommodate those requests as well. It's a 5 quick and easy, simple step kit that's going to be great. So when they're using these products, it is absolutely going to change the look of their skin, the feel of their skin. It's going to make it more soft and supple. It's going to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles and protect their skin and reverse hyperpigmentation too. So let me walk you through the different components of the kit. So everything is labeled just simple and to the point, the way I think men like it. Face wash, toner, face cream, face armor for the sunblock, and micro buff cream. So the face wash is actually the nourishing beta cleanser. The toner is the A and B cooling toner. The face cream is the alpha firming face and neck cream, and the face armor is the flawless green tea SPF 30 sunblock. I love these products. They're good for so many different skin types. If someone has oily prone skin, regular skin, acne skin, these are all the products that you would suggest to them. So this covers a vast array of different skin types. The final product in the kit is going to be the Micro Buff. So this is something that they would apply twice a week for maintenance. But let's say they have pseudofolliculitis. They can spot apply that on a daily basis, just working it into the face very quickly for about 5 or 6 seconds, then rinsing it off. Once we get those ingrown beard hairs under control, then they can just do twice weekly for maintenance to prevent it from coming back. So that's it. 4 quick and easy, simple steps for the guys. Boom, 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 done in a few seconds, the way that I think men like to just quickly do something and be done with it. So this is perfect. It comes packaged in a vinyl rope handle bag with an easy to follow instruction kit card. And they're absolutely going to love this kit. It's going to change their skin for the better. Listen, the thing I find with men is that they don't buy things for themselves. It has to be the wife or the girlfriend or the partner to bring things home. And then once it's staring them in the face, then they'll go ahead and use it. It's just getting it through the door for them seems to be the issue. So buy this for your significant other and you can see what a world of difference it's going to make. And I think probably you could get about 5 or 6 weeks worth of applications out of this kit. Of course, it all depends on how sparingly or liberally that you're applying the products. So that is the Men's Defense Kit. The other kit that I got a question about was our Professional Peel Kit. Now this is 7 full size of the retail products that you're going to use pre and post procedure in your office. Okay, someone just said you can't really see it. So the men's kit has left the chat. Is that a little better? There we go. There she is. Come on, girls, get up there. There you go. And the reason that someone called about this kit was because they wanted to know approximately how many peels could be done with just this one kit. And to my best guesstimation, it was about 25 peels. So if you wanted to configure the raw cost to do an in-office procedure like a chemical peel, you would take the price of this kit, which I don't discuss pricing on these videos, add in one of the bottles of the peels, and we have like 10 different peels to choose from, and then divide that by 25. So that is going to give you your basic raw cost for performing an in-office peel. Of course, this does not take into consideration any other thing that you're using while performing the peel, like a headband or gauze or applicators, and of course, your overhead, just for the cost of the products. So I think that's a good formula. If you want to do it for yourself and figure it out, that would be great. Okay, so let me walk you through the products that make up this kit. So you're going to cleanse the skin and degrease the skin. And we have the Nourishing Beta Cleanser and the Skin Brightening Tonic in there. Once you perform your in-office procedure, you're going to remove that and follow with the Oxygen Boosting Mask. And this is in a 2-ounce airless pump. This product is wonderful for post-procedure soothing, and it just leaves the skin feeling soft and glowing and invigorated. And it'll also help cut back with any post-procedure inflammation or erythema that someone may be experiencing. Well, listen, unless, of course, you've been a little too aggressive, or maybe they've not been honest to you about how sensitive their skin is, or maybe they weren't honest about different medications that they're on that could photosensitize their skin, and you do a procedure on them, and all of a sudden they're just burned and raw. Because I think, maybe they're not being honest because they want you to be super aggressive, because they think the more it's going to burn, the better the result is going to be. They don't understand. In an instant like this, if you've really burned somebody, I suggest that you always have milk in your refrigerator in your office. Saturate gauze with milk and apply it to the skin for a few minutes. There's really something about the enzymes in milk that help to cut back with burning sensation, so the pain, it'll reduce the redness and the swelling. So make sure that you keep that in your office. Just a little quick tip for you. So once you remove you should let that sit on the face for about 10 minutes. Then you can remove it with a damp cloth. Now you're going to follow up with moisturizers. And the first step is going to be the green tea soothing mist. So we just revamped this formulation to include Vita C esters. So this is going to be very great with soothing the skin post-procedure. But if they're using it in their at-home skincare regimen on a daily basis, it's going to brighten their skin and just make their skin soft and beautiful and lovely. So the green tea refreshing mist. Now, after that, and there's something aromatically pleasing about the green tea refreshing mist as well, because it smells like green tea and it's just very calming, and I love that product. So along with doing a peel, of course, you're removing a lot of bad stuff from the skin. However, you also strip away a lot of the good stuff, like the lipid barrier that you need. So in order to infuse that lipid barrier back into the skin, you want to apply the Flawless Drops, because everything that's naturally found in your skin's own moisture composition is in the Flawless Drops. Sphingolipids, ceramides, cholesterol, it's all in there. So it's going to immediately moisturize the skin, reintroduce that lipid barrier. So if someone has like post-procedure tightness or irritation, this is really going to help alleviate that. And it's also great to put in the hair. If you have like very dead hair like I have, it'll help to make it shiny and beautiful. Then you're going to follow with the antioxidant infusion cream. So this is the #1 selling product in the whole entire line because it delivers such great results. Then once that's done, now you're going to protect the skin by applying the replenishing sunblock SPF 35. You know, that just goes on like silk. There's something about that sunblock. I absolutely love it. It just leaves like a nice little veil of something on your face. It looks like you've applied powder. So it leaves just a beautiful finish to your skin. It looks very soft, and it absolutely is going to protect you from the sun. So that basically is the professional peel kit and the men's defense kit. Let's get him back in here. Come on, boys. So that's it for the kits. I think we're doing another video tomorrow. So this was just sort of kind of thrown together, not produced in any way, no mise en scène here. But if you have any requests for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll get to them just as soon as we can. Until then, wear your sunblock. Or if you're a man, wear your face armor.